Snowtex is a LEED Platinum sustainable leading apparel manufacturing company in Bangladesh that came into being in 1998. The dynamic leadership of Snowtex has played a big role behind its first factory, which was launched in partnership with its USA buyer Burn Apparel Ltd in 2005 and Kutensue in 2011. Snowtex moved into further expansion in 2014 with a third factory, Snowtex Outerwear Ltd, and the fourth, Snowtex Sportswear Ltd, in 2019. Facilitating 180 lines, Snowtex with 11,000 machines, 18,000 human resources and 26 million standard hours produces 22 million pieces and has an annual turnover of $250 million. We maintain all proper health precautions approved by Inspectorio Rise, a third-party assessing platform in collaboration with BGMEA. Snowtex has the world's best advanced machineries for cutting, printing, embroidery, quilting, sewing, and finishing sections that make us efficient in productivity and quality. We get real-time production data like individual capacity, bottlenecks at workstation, machine breakdown record, and process defects by an individual digital device. Our business operations run through the ERP system from order placement to shipment. Raw materials at the warehouse are scanned by an RFID device and data get transmitted automatically to the warehouse management system. Any style changeover starts with paper layout by ERP that helps us to make smooth production on time. By using our own invented digital tracking device, we can identify individual process defects, persons responsible for the defects, top 5 defects, and the percentage of defects. Using this data, we can improve quality immediately. Non-conforming goods are managed by the RFID tag. Finished goods are kept after scanning a QR code by the RFID device. After automatically transferring the data to our shipping department, the goods get prepared for on-time shipment. Our in-house lab has the facility to inspect and test every item of the garments. We also provide cooked food to our members that also get checked at the lab prior to being served to them. We also ensure quality of all incoming materials. We have an efficient and innovative design team who dedicatedly research and develop designs in 2D and 3D software. We have a large sample section of 255 manpower, 250 machines with 2,800 pieces monthly sampling capacity. We produce varieties of jackets, sportswear, fashion wear, activewear, ski wear, functional wear, rainwear, casual wear, workwear, safety wear, hunting wear, rail down, fake down, seam sealing, insulation, non-insulation, soft shell, sew-free, thermobonding, welded, flame retardant, denim, ladies and kids items, etc. We also produce different types of coverall, overall, vest, cargo shorts, swimwear, chinos, twill pants, denim pants, and many more. We are working with a wide range of customers around the globe, which includes but not limited to Snowtex and our customer Decathlon has joined in a partnership. Being an eco-friendly manufacturing company, we have achieved some remarkable achievements in the areas of energy and atmosphere that includes energy-saving light, VRF air conditioning system, on-grid solar system, servo control technology in brand machineries, natural fresh air for temperature control and reduction in carbon emission. We get a significant amount of treated water through STP, which is reused for domestic purpose like lavatory flushing that reduces water consumption. Indoor air quality control system. We provide 23 kinds of benefits like free lunch, 15% of profit share as performance incentive bonus, provident fund, salary within the month, zero defect award, buddy support for new members, reward for best line and floor, sanitary napkin for female members, work facility for disabled persons, daycare center, maternity benefit, medical care center with in-house registered doctors, sports and curricular activities, etc. We also take part in different social activities. The happiness survey machine invented by us helps us to know any support that may be needed by any of our family members. Automated fire protection and detection with building management system are installed to ensure safety for all of our family members and assets. We have achieved many certificates and awards like Building Safety Certificate, Accord and Alliance, Environmental Safety Certificates, LEED Platinum, HIG, SCM, EAC, Product Safety Certificates, OCATEX, GOTS, OCS, RDS, GRS, RCS, RFID, Social Certificates, RAP, SLCP, BSCI, SEDEX, WCA, Security Certificates, SCAN, GSV, CTPAT, Performance Awards by customers, Vendor Partner Award from Colombia, Gold Medal and Appreciation Letter from Bestseller, Factory of the Year Award from Burn Apparel consecutively for 8 years, Gold Star Supplier Award from Richelieu Manufacturing, Gold Medal Award from Canada Sportswear, Best Improved Factory Award and Operational Excellence Award by Alpha Broader, etc. Best Practice Awards, Health and Safety Award from the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Bangladesh Business Award from DHL The Daily Star, Good Practice Award by ILO, Southeast Bank Green Award, SEDEX, Best Practice Award by RMG Times, etc. We believe in Be Happy, Make Happy.